Hi you guys, welcome to my Curious Crafts. This is Shan, and in today's video we're participating in an open collaboration hosted by Bobby Cat's Kitten entitled Home for the Holidays. Let's get started. Okay, so we're starting out with a Dollar Tree candy cane wreath form, and we're going to use the garland that's also from the Dollar Tree. We're going to cut it into manageable lengths so that it's easy for us to work with, and we're just going to wrap it around the candy cane. And since there's wire in the garland already, it'll be easy to secure it. You're not going to need any glue or anything like that. You can just secure it between the frame. Here I'm just showing you what I consider to be a manageable length, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to wrap it around as well so that you get the idea. As you introduce new pieces of garland, make sure that you're securing it by wrapping it between the wire forms on your wreath so that it doesn't come apart, because you need this to be secure for the other layers that you're going to add onto it. Okay, I'm going to show you again what we're doing just in case you missed it the first time or you need to see it again. Here you go. Okay, this is what your wreath will look like once you've secured all of the evergreen on your base. And now you're going to go in and place some flocked pieces onto your candy cane form. You're going to want to place the flocked pieces at various angles as you would see it naturally in nature, or what you would see when you go to the store. They're not all laying one way. They're kind of going this direction, that direction, and thereabouts. You're going to continue this format until you have your wreath completely filled to your liking. This is at your discretion. There's no pattern or anything like that, but you will want to leave an open space so as not to use material that you don't have to for your bow. So make sure that you don't put any flock pieces there, because that would be just a moot point because your bow is going to cover it up, okay? As an added reminder, I want to let you guys know that every Wednesday we make bows here, be it hand-tied bows, bows with various bow makers, and I show you various tips and tricks in the industry to help you perfect your bow making skills. So we'll be glad to have you stop by and join us. Remember, this is your project, and so you can add as many flock pieces as you like. It's at your discretion. Just make sure that it looks the way that you would want it to look. You're going to also want to make sure that when you're placing your flock pieces onto your candy cane form, that you're keeping the original shape of your candy cane form. You can get a little bit out of hand putting the flock pieces on, but just make sure that you're keeping the base wreath form in mind when you're adding your flock pieces. Okay, you guys, so I've added everything to my liking, and this is the final look of our project. I hope you enjoyed the video tutorial today, and I also hope that you will go by and visit all of the ladies that participated in this open collaboration. Please check the description box for all of the links and the playlist information, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Thank you so much, and have a beautiful day. Bye.